Hi guys, you're watching JT Jones. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, and by the way, click on the bell icon so that you receive daily notifications.
What's happening guys, Jones here back with another video, and in this video we'll be doing what's inside my tech bag version 2.0. If you are interested, click on the red subscribe button and also press the like button. Let's get started with the video. So I carry this bag. This is the bag which I got when I bought the HP Omen 15, and it's spacious enough and it's comfortable. It has a lot of cushioning over this side, so it's really comfortable and it does not give you a lot of strain. Let me show you by wearing this bag. As you can see, the bag also looks stylish and has some gaming aesthetics to it, which is really nice and I appreciate it. So let's open the bag and find what all we have inside the bag. Actually, I carry two bags. One is my laptop bag, which is over here, and I also carry this DSLR bag. So let's start with the DSLR bag. Actually, I'm recording using the 200D which I have, and inside that I have this charging brick for charging the camera. I also have this Boya mic with which I'm also recording now. As you can see, the mic is over here. It's the pouch for the Boya mic. And then I have the lens caps and also a 1 rupee coin so that I can mount my camera easily on the tripod. So now let's open the laptop bag itself. Sometimes 1 rupee coin, sometimes 5 rupee coin. It works. So now let's open the laptop bag itself. Let me start with this compartment over here. So the first thing that I have inside my laptop bag is the laptop itself. It's the HP Omen 15 and it's powerful. It's so powerful that I'm in love with this laptop. It just takes 2 to 3 minutes to render a 4K file, which is really amazing. So let me keep the laptop aside. And the second thing that I have is my Lenovo P2 charger. I use my phone called the Lenovo P2. It's the most underrated phone which I would say is in this world today, because it has a lot of good features, but then it was never sold in a high demand. So I have this charger to charge my phone, and the charge usually lasts for over 2 days, which is really amazing. That's why I like this phone very much. So that's it for this compartment. I also have one more cable. This is my power bank cable. I got it with my power bank, which I will show you in a moment. Let me open the second compartment. One more thing I like about this bag is that it opens so big. As you can see, I can keep anything inside and there will be sufficient space and it will be really protected. So in this compartment I have my case for Lenovo P2. This is a case which I got with the phone itself. So I'm not using it now because it's not that protective. It's just a plastic shell. So I am keeping that aside. And the second thing that I have is my wallet. No YouTube money, so just pocket money from dad. 20 rupees only. And the third thing that I have is a microfiber cloth. This is a microfiber cloth which is very useful if you want to clean your lens or your phone's camera and other things. So this is very handy tool and I carry it with me wherever I go. Then we have the Sony power bank. This power bank was gifted to me from my dad and I carry it wherever I go. It's kind of my lucky charm, and wherever I take my phone, I take it because it contains around 5000 mAh of charge, which can charge my phone easily around from 0 to I think 70 or 80%, which is really fine because my phone's battery lasts for days. Then I have two notebooks which I use for writing my script. I use this Trimax pen for writing my script so that I can speak without any hesitation in front of the camera. So for this video I have not made any script. This is going to be a raw video in which I am talking with you guys. So let's keep this aside, and the next thing that we have here is this mouse. This mouse is one of my favorite mouse because it is ergonomic, and I got it with my Acer laptop which I was using around 3 to 4 months ago. After that I brought this new beast which I am using right now, but I have not changed the mouse because this mouse is really amazing. It is ergonomic, it is fast, and it just fits in my hand and I'm really used to it. That's the main reason I'm not changing my mouse. Let's see what all we have in the third compartment. Inside this I have my Hottech headphones. So these headphones I got it from Air India launch in AVA, and this is the aux cable that I got with it, so that if the Bluetooth dies or the battery dies, sorry, Bluetooth will never die, the battery dies. If the battery dies, I can use this aux cable to connect to my device and listen to music seamlessly. I'm really in love with these headphones, but then it got broke because the build quality is not that nice, but the sound quality is amazing. So I have taped it over here. This is called Indian Jugaad. So it works, and I'm really happy with the performance of this Hottech earphones. It cost me around 1200 rupees, and for that price range I feel the sound quality is amazing. Let's see what all we have inside. I have this power brick for charging my laptop. The only problem I have with this power brick is that it is really huge and it's really bulky as well. So carrying it around is a tension. But nevertheless, my laptop is something I really love, so I can do some compromises for that. Then I have this pin connector. This connector is used for connecting your mobile phones to your tripod, and it costs me around 170 rupees online, and it's very useful. Sometimes if your camera's battery dies down, you can just connect it to your tripod and connect your mobile phone and start recording. It's that easy. So I carry this also. I also have my college ID card. I study in this university, and you guess in which university I study. Let's guess in the comment section below. I will give you a sneak peek of the university in which I am studying. Then I have my wallet, second wallet. This contains all my credit cards and debit cards. I don't have credit cards, only debit cards and some other cards, which like food card and other things. And I also have one more CD of Filmora. That's it. Filmora is my second editing software. I use Adobe Premiere Pro for editing my software, and for adding some effects I use Filmora. So I have this Filmora CD as well. So guys, that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, do vote it down. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech videos. Till then, it's Jones, and I'm signing off.